Where I am is going to be pretty close to sea level since I'm on the Danube River. We're kind of heading for the Black Sea. We'll go as far south as Constanta in Romania. So, pretty close to sea level. No, actually, we're kind of far inland, although we're on a body of water, a river. It tends to be fairly dry. It's not very humid. But because we're inland, the summers tend to get pretty hot. The winters can be snowy. Over.
So I didn't catch his call sign. This guy's on a Viking long ship in Hungary. Near the border of Croatia, I guess. I'm in Washington at the moment, listening to RF. Awesome.
We've been there, I think, about a week. I think we're starting to check the days. It's about a 17-day voyage. So let's get some idea of it. I'm still getting used to time difference. I just got for a while. But yesterday we went out on 3 excursions in the morning and at night. So we visited the Jewish quarter of